Hello everyone, this is Alex of Machine Support. In this short video, I wanted to explain how you can take your Conlux CV3 dollar bill acceptor to accept different denominations such as 5s, 10s, and 20s while the unit is still in the machine and in the field. Now, if you found this video useful, I appreciate if you could like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ideas, or comments, please leave them below. And make sure you hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Now here's a Conlux CV3 dollar bill acceptor, and this unit can actually be field tuned on site to be able to take different denominations, and that can all be done while the unit is attached to the machine. But for demonstration purposes in this video, I went ahead and removed this from the actual machine. So as you can see, we've got power on the bill acceptor, powering it through my tester. We have lights ready to say it's ready to take dollar bills, but we're going to go ahead and tune it so that way it will start taking these three denominations. So the first thing to do is we're going to need to enter the tuning mode, and that can be done by pressing the service button, which should be located on the back side here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the bill box. There's a little blue tab that you can press forward, lift up, and on the back here there's actually a little hole to show you where the hole is, where the mode button is or service button is. So what we need to do is we need to press that button. We take a Phillips head screwdriver or something small to go there and reach in and press that button. And when that button is pressed, we should then have rapid blinking lights on the bill acceptor. So I'm going to go ahead and reattach the bill box. The lights continue to blink rapidly, and I'll start with my $20 bill. I'm going to go ahead and insert the $20 bill. It should pull it in and then reject it, and the lights are going to blink 10 times. Now when the lights blink 10 times and then go back to a rapid pulse, this is an indication that we have now enabled $20 bill acceptance or enabled any bill that we just inserted. Now to disable, we can do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and insert the $20 bill. Rejects the bill, and here we're going to get 3 blinks before it goes back to a rapid blink. This lets me know that it's now been disabled. So let's go ahead and re-enable it again. We'll get the 10 blinks, and once we have the 10 blinks, we'll go back to a rapid pulse. Once we hit the rapid pulse, our $20 is now enabled. Let's make our way over to the $10 bill. Insert your $10 bill. Here we're going to have 10 blinks. Our that was actually disabled, so I'm going to go back and re-enable it. Make sure I have that enabled. And here we're going to get the 10 blinks to enable the $10 bill acceptance. And then let's take the $5 bill, insert this. We're going to get the 10 blinks to let us know that that's been enabled. So that's a quick way to show you how you can actually enable different denominations on the field with a Conlux CV, and I believe there's actually the older model, the one model older than the CV3 models can also do the same thing. So you won't need that tuning coupon, so you can actually do this on site. Now to get out of this mode here, you are going to want to power cycle the machine. So on my tester, I'm going to go ahead and press the stop button, kills the power, and then if I turn the power back on, it's going to re-enable the bill acceptor and put it back into vend mode. So that's a quick way to show you how you can set your machine up to be able to do different denominations on a Conlux CV3 dollar bill acceptor. See you on the next video.